everyone, I'm here with a brand new Powerup in Stackby. This time it's for forms. Now you can beautify your forms and add 2-column layout within your forms. Now let's see how it works. So let's say you're managing your sales CRM in Stackby. You have the opportunities that you're managing. You've created a form for your team members to add opportunities to your stack. Now you just go and create a form. Here I've created a form already. Add, say this is a sales form, and you basically add the opportunity name and customer remarks. Now you want to start adding, different fields to this. So the first field that I will add is say account, priority, proposal deadline, who's the owner, the estimated value of this date, the expected close date, and let's say the primary contact. Now here you will see, all the records are being added, some of them are being added in a 2-column layout. So what you need to do is, let me just move myself here. You just select this, make this into a 2-column layout, go to your form settings, select this toggle on. So if I remove this toggle, you will see all the records are added one by one, which was the original setting. But now if I do this, make this into a 2-column layout, it will automatically convert this into a second column. Now in certain cases, what you would like to do is you want certain fields to, to take the entire space. So let's say if I've got, customer remarks, right? And I want to, this is added as a, like a half column. Now if I want to convert this into a full column, I can just go onto the individual column settings and click on the layout. So I can just click on the layout like this, and that's it. So here I've already added certain things. Now let's say I want to put priority into a drop-down list, and I want to use this as a full layout, right? And add account here, and owners, proposal deadline, expected close date, estimated value, and customer remarks. Now let's say if I want to add this into the primary contact like this, and the customer remarks. So that's it. My form is pretty much created. I click on open form. So you will see, like a 2-column layout form is already added. Now if I add something, let's say Stackby new opportunity, it's high priority, which accounts I want to add, you will see now the links are added like this, and I can search something here. So Stackby is not found, but let's say I want to add this to another account. Select the owner, say the proposal deadline is 27, the expected close date is 4th, who's the primary contact, and I can just select a couple of primary contacts. Estimate value of the deal. Customer is really interested. And just submit this form. So as soon as the form is submitted, I come back into Stackby, you will see a new row is automatically added into the tool. So this is how, you can basically add 2-column layout to your forms and just beautify it, or even embed this form onto your website. So you can just share this form, give this private URL to anyone, or even embed this form onto any website. So you also added a new embed, like a embed page. So you can click on you can change the embed heights as well, and you can see how those forms will look in your desktop or even in the mobile. So if I, let's say, want to change the embed height to 600, you will see the height is already changed. So let us know what you think, of this, brand new Powerup in Stackby. And we are essentially trying to make, the forms the go-to place, for you to create any sort of forms, whether it is surveys or, sales forms or, order forms. This should be the go-to place for you to add the forms and, add data into your database. So now you can basically do a lot of things, with your forms, and share it with your internal stakeholders as well as your clients. So let us know what you think about this power up, and we look forward for you to using this.